In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Viusasa app. So if you've been receiving a lot of notifications or alerts from Viusasa app and you'd like to go ahead and put an end to this, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the Viusasa app information page. To do that, you need to go ahead and look for settings. And then from settings, look for the option called apps. Now from apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. Then tap on it to open. So for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from the list, scroll down until you find your Viusasa app. And for this case, it should be almost towards the end. And here we go. My Viusasa app is here. If you can't reach it or find it, just go ahead and search for your app using the option here, search apps. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it and you'll get to the app information page, and this is where we shall apply our settings. However, if getting to this app info page is quite tedious for you or complex, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app. Once you find your app, long press on it and choose the second option here, app info. If you tap on it, again, it will take you to the same app info page. From here, you want to go ahead and look for this section called permissions, and under permissions, look for notifications. Currently, you can see all notifications are turned on, and this is why you have been receiving those pop-up or those alerts from Viusasa app. Now, to put an end to this, just go ahead and turn off this show notification option, and this will go ahead and turn them off. And from now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications unless you go ahead and turn it on again. So that's how you can turn off Viusasa pop-up notifications permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.